Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to bring to your attention this awesome little medical kit. Now this is from the great people at Northman Resilience based in the country of France. Now it's all made 100% in-house by their team, and I've got to say the quality is fantastic. So what is this? This is a EDC compatible, really small micro first aid kit carry option. So the kit that I went for is the mini med kit with the tourniquet attachment. So it's got a loop velcro on there. So I'll demonstrate how that goes together. But what this is basically for me is a really small, relatively basic, but with some advanced components, stop the bleed kit. So obviously this can be for anything you want it to be. If you want it to be a boo-boo kit, you could do that. Or if you want to store some other survival options, you can. So this is, like I say, primarily designed for pocket carry, but the way it's designed, as I'll show shortly, it can also slide into a belt. You can hook it onto a backpack, whatever you want. So definitely a versatile piece of kit. So what I'll do is I'll give you some specs on it, I'll take you through it, I'll show you how I've packed it, and I'll demonstrate the carry option. So stick around and let's have a look. Okay, so the actual kit itself is made out of a really heavy duty elastic material, and it's going to be hard wearing and, like I say, very stretchy, able to accommodate pretty much whatever you want to put inside it. Now it comes in a number of different colours. I have gone for the black, but it also comes in a grey, a green, a red and a blue. Basically whatever matches your style, your uniform, or the environment that you normally find yourself in. So on the front of the pack you will see it does have some loop velcro, so you can add morale patches or identification patches, whatever you want, onto there if you so want to. And you have a nice large strong grab handle here, so again you can use this just to hold, or you can use it to actually open up the pack thusly. So as you undo it straight away, again you have a loop velcro panel here, and then you have the hook here. Also you have the Northman Resilience made in France label there. So what this does, it really allows you to cinch it tight and lock it into place. Open it up again, you have this field here. So again, this is a very nice, stretchy, strong material, and this also doubles as the belt loop or the strap loop, whatever you want to attach it to, whether it be your plate carrier, belt or backpack. Open it up again. Here you can see the two compartments. Let's move these bits out of the way for you. So here you have the two actual compartments that hold whatever you want to put in. Now for me this is a very basic stop the bleed kit. So what I've done is I've added some Celox gauze. This is a really good hemostatic gauze, and again that holds that perfectly. These are 8 centimeter wide loop attachments, so you'll be able to fit whatever you want in there as long as it's within that size. There is a little bit of stretch to it, so if you want to bulk out you can, no problem at all. Just be aware though it is 8 centimeters, so that will somewhat limit you, but I think most people are quite creative and they can definitely find something that will fit in there, as I have done. Now in the lower compartment what I've done is I've simply put a pair of nitrile gloves and a slim first field dressing. This is actually a really slim Israeli one. So yeah, so basically that's what I've got in as my basic stop the bleed kit. This is not obviously a full loadout, but what it does is it allows me to treat most major life-threatening bleeds. Obviously paired with the tourniquet, definitely a useful resource to have. So like I said, you have the two 8 centimeter loops here, 8 centimeter wide loops, and the whole material is really nice and stretchy. So if I fold it up, you can see what it looks like. That. Pretty neat. So another really cool feature of the Northman Resilience kits is the modularity that they offer. So as you can see here, what I've done is I have actually attached the tourniquet holder to the mini med kit. Now what you can also find is pen torch holders that can go on this side. You can add another tourniquet pouch if you wanted to. So you can kind of mix and match what you want. And as the loop and the hook velcro is mirrored, you can still attach over no problem. So what you can do, you can turn a very basic kit into a lot more advanced by adding modular kits to it. I think that's really cool. Perhaps you're going into a different environment, different threat levels and so on. You can simply mix and match to what you need for the day and what the mission entails. So the tourniquet holder itself. So the deal that I got was the mini med kit and this, but you can buy this separately or that separately, whatever you want. So this again is made out of a very similar material, nice and stretchy, and it will accommodate pretty much every windlass tourniquet out there that's suitable for everyday carry use. So this is a soft T wide and it holds it no problem whatsoever. So there we go, hopefully you can see the nice small compact package there. So like I say, hopefully you can see just how small and compact this package can be. It really is suitable for a range of carries, and I think it's really going to change the game in how people carry medical equipment. So like I say, if you're interested in checking this out, I will leave all the links in the description below as always. I'd appreciate it if maybe in the notes when you order you can put in that you saw it on a Survival Dads video. Really helps the channel out. Really helps get the name of the channel out there to companies. And this was purchased with my own money, so nothing sponsored or anything like that. But just something I think I'd like to add. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.